Welcome. Have you ever wondered how to make your research data visible, reusable, and citable? With SWISSUbase, Switzerland's national platform used and supported by FORCE for sharing and preserving research data in the social sciences, you can do exactly that and more. Sharing your research data on SWISSUbase helps you comply with funder and institutional requirements. Certified by Core Trust Seal and aligned with FAIR principles, SWISSUbase ensures long-term preservation and secure hosting in Switzerland. Each dataset receives a DOI and benefits from professional data curation. Depositing your data on SWISSUbase is free and fully guided, with step-by-step instructions and expert support. You can choose flexible access conditions for sharing your datasets, including open access, embargo periods, or restricted access, while staying in control of who can access your data. Ready to share your data with confidence? Watch our full tutorial video to guide you through each step of sharing and uploading datasets on SWISSUbase. For more information, visit SWISSUbase.ch or check out our resources on info.swissubase.ch or on forcecenter.ch, including tips, guidelines, and the latest datasets available. Thank you for watching.